This video is about the best nuts for kidney disease. And yes, I'm talking about nuts and kidney disease. Because the old way of thinking, the outdated way of thinking is nuts aren't good for kidney disease. But they are in fact healthy, nutritious, delicious, and great for kidney disease. And if your doctor tells you to avoid nuts without having a real issue with nuts, meaning you don't have like a high phosphorus level, they need to give them the recent updates of the KDOQI Quality Outcome Initiatives, which is the up-to-date nutrition recommendations by all major kidney societies in the United States, and nutrition societies all agree. And one big part in there is plant-based diets. And we have a copy of this on our website. We have other videos about it, but let's get into nuts for kidney disease. Yes, you could have some nuts. Depends on which one. So, gonna cite a little research here. Crunch on this, a fresh look at nuts for renal nutrition. This was in the Journal of Nutrition, March 2017. So if you need to look that up or give that to your doctor. So they broke down nuts. They talked about nuts and why you should consider having a small portion with a kidney disease diet. They're good for everybody. They're good for diabetics because they don't raise blood sugar. They're good for kidney autoimmune diseases. They're good for blood pressure. You want to get them raw and unsalted, okay? Unsalted at the minimum. You could get them roasted, but raw, unsalted is preferred. It's the healthiest way. And if you're going to start adding them into your diet, start with like a 1/4 cup, 2 ounces, or what's considered like a good handful. And you can use that to replace a snack, add it into a meal in replace of maybe an unfriendly kidney food. Now, here's the 5 nuts based on not having a lot of phosphorus content. They're lower phosphorus, lower to moderate protein, okay? But if you don't have a phosphorus issue, you might want to have other nuts. But if you want to stay on that safe side, these 5 nuts. Hazelnuts, okay? Great nut, they break down here. Macadamia nuts. Peanuts, okay, pecans and walnuts. Those are the 5. Going through it again. Hazelnuts, macadamia, peanuts, pecans, walnuts. Okay, those are the 5 that are the most kidney friendly based on those metrics of being lower phosphorus, lower to moderate protein. If you want to, you can reference that journal, search that online, and you'll see all the nuts and the breakdowns that they go to. But that's my review of that literature. Those are the 5 best nuts in my opinion because of all those metrics. So start having a little bit of them in your diet to help your kidney health. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment. We got lots of videos on our channel about food and what you can do to help yourself. Bye.